Hello dear students, today we shall discuss how virtual reality works. Open your books at page 45, exercise 1. Look at the pieces of equipment below. What do they do? Check in a dictionary or online.
A VR headset is used to view the VR world.
A console runs a game or other software.
An HDMI cable transfers audio-visual information from one device to another.
A display is what we see on a screen or VR headset.
Headphones allow us to hear sound.
A microphone allows us to communicate.
A controller allows us to physically interact with a VR world.
Sensors are instruments which detect heat, light, movement.
Now let's get acquainted with new words. Listen to them, repeat and write down in your vocabularies.
Audience,
Block out. Built in.
copy, focus on, HDMI cable, immersive, intrude,
Pass on.
similarly, surface,
Track.
trick,
Wirelessly.
Exercise 2. How does the equipment below create virtual reality? Let's listen.
Users put on a VR headset. It is connected to a console either wirelessly or through an HDMI cable. The display shows them the VR world, and they listen to sound through the headphones. Controllers allow them to physically interact with the VR environment. They can communicate through their microphone. In the future, sensors will detect the movements users make.
Now let's read the text and watch the video.
How VR works. VR involves hardware and software. A VR headset covers your eyes and ears completely, making sure that the real world doesn't intrude. It is connected to a console or PC which runs the software that creates the virtual environment. The VR headset displays two images for us to focus on, one for each eye. Our brains are tricked into seeing 3D with these images. The headset tracks our movements and changes what we see on the display. The display is large enough so that we cannot see its edge. It is immersive, so we can only see the image on the display. Also, on the headset are headphones that block out the noise of the real world and provide the sound of the virtual environment. Like the display, the sound moves when we move. To allow us to physically interact with the environment, there are controllers that we either hold or wear on our hands. Similarly, a microphone built into the headset allows us to communicate in the virtual world. In the future, we will also have bodysuits or sensors that pass on sensations to complete the experience of the virtual environment.
Exercise 3. Read the text again and answer the question. How is the headset connected to the console? It is said that it covers your eyes and ears completely, making sure that the real world doesn't intrude. It is connected to a console either wirelessly or with an HDMI cable. How do our brains get the 3D images? You see, it sends two images which appear on a display for us to focus on, one for each eye. These images are sent to our brain, tricking them into seeing 3D. What does the headset follow and why? The headset tracks our movements and changes what we see on the display. Why can't we hear what is happening in the real world? Also on the headset are headphones that block out the noise of the real world and provide the sound of the virtual environment. What will make us feel the virtual environment in the future? In future, we will also have bodysuits or sensors that pass on sensation to complete the experience of the virtual environment. In exercise 4, you are to match the words in bold to their meanings below. Let's check. Interrupt means intrude. Pictures, images. People at the performance, audience. Ground, surface. Control, runs. Using the body, physically. Stop, block out. And now your task is to write a short summary of the text using the words below. VR headset, console, HDMI cable, display, headphones, microphone, controller, sensors. Let's listen to the model.
The headset covers our eyes and ears completely. The console runs the software to it, either wirelessly or through an HDMI cable. The display shows us the VR world, and we listen to sound through the headphones. We can communicate through a microphone built into the headset. Controllers allow us to physically interact with the environment. In the future, sensors will detect the movements we make.